Alright guys, this is quiz 110, example 1, and we are going to match the rotations. So the first one we have is a rotation of 180 degrees. Doesn't matter if it's clockwise or counterclockwise. Half of a circle, doesn't matter which way you go. That matches with this one. Hang on, let me draw. Oops, didn't mean to do that. So X and Y just do the opposite, okay? Now we have a rotation of 270 degrees. That is the same thing as a rotation of 90 degrees, counterclockwise for the 270, clockwise for the 90. These are the same rotation. So if you notice, they're on there twice. So that one matches with this one, and this one matches with that one. Alright, and we just have two more left that are the same ones. A rotation of 270 degrees clockwise or a rotation of 90 degrees counterclockwise. Those match with these. And that's example 1.